Okay. Let me just double check the feed. Testing. Let me just double check the feed. Testing. All right, so I'm just going to leave my phone here so I can join the live chat and monitor it. So welcome everyone. Welcome to the live stream. It's been a while since we've done an update. We're going to go over CoinGecko's Q3 updates, go over some of the highlights. We're also going to take a look at the markets. The most important thing is to make sure that you like and subscribe to keep on top of the updates that are coming when it comes to crypto, stock markets, content creation, travel. And I will be traveling soon, and we'll be surfing from the various WeWorks. We're at the WeWork Vancouver location right now, and the stream is sponsored by 604 NFT. That is our crypto and Web3 education and events startup founded in Vancouver. So let's start off by looking at the markets. All right. So the market is over $1 trillion again. So we're using CoinGecko, one of my favorite exchanges for looking at the prices. They have a great app. They also have a really good converter and a good Q3 update that we're going to go through. So market cap is up 4.1% over $1 trillion again. And we have Ethereum gas at 19 Gwei, which is a little bit higher. It's been pretty low recently, which is good for minting NFTs. It's also good for any type of Ethereum-based transactions. Let's just say if you want to secure your NFTs or your Ethereum, you can move it to a hardware wallet. Now is a good time to do that. So Bitcoin is back up above 20K, and it's up 2.6% over the past week. Ethereum has a slightly higher gain, up 9.5%. It's currently sitting at 1.4K. BNB is at 285, and it's up 3.6%. So we'll be going through some of the highlights of these tokens over the past quarter in a second here. Cardano is experiencing double-digit growth, up 12.7% over the past 24 hours, and that caps off the top 10. So let's go down to trending tokens. If we go down to the bottom over here, we can see that Polygon is nearing $1 at 91 cents, up 8.2%. And then we have some other altcoins, which I'm not too familiar with, honestly. Gains Network up 31.9%. Evmos up 37%. Okay, it's time for the Q3 reports. So you can download this from the CoinGecko site. And it's a really good recap of what is going on in the crypto markets overall. And yeah, definitely recommend you check it out. I actually just checked it out right before this. I should have allocated a bit more time, but you know, sometimes you just got to make do with the time and opportunities that you have. So let's open up the report right here. And I want to make sure that you can see that. So I'm just going to wait for the feed to catch up. All right. Awesome. All right, so the report's free. So we're just going to go over some highlights here. So overall, the crypto market over Q3 was up 6.5%. It hit a bottom of 875 billion on July 19th. But as we just covered, it's back over $1 trillion. Okay. Top 15 stable coins, Tether at 60 $8 billion market cap, USDC 47 billion. It's actually down 16%. BUSD at 20.9 billion, that's up 18.4%. And then we have DAI, which is at 6.4 billion. Okay, let's keep moving on here. Okay, so total crypto market cap correlation with the S&P 500 was 0.85 in Q3. So this is a slight decrease compared to Q2. Bitcoin was very volatile. S&P 500 fell 5.2%, which is 5x more than Bitcoin's 1% drop. Let's keep going on here. All right, so this is a good one. This is a timeline for Q3. So I'm just going to cover some of the highlights here. July 1st, 3 Arrows Capital filed for Chapter 15 bankruptcy. SudoSwap launched July 8th. GameStop NFT Marketplace launched July 12th. July 14th, Celsius filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. ZipMex halted withdrawals July 21st. The Nomad Bridge, not our Nomad token, by the way, exploded for 190 million August 2nd. Okay, Tornado Cash sanctioned by the OFAC August 9th. Doge Chain launch August 13th. This is a big one. The Ethereum merge was completed September 15th. So Ethereum proof of work, the hard fork went live September 16th. Cardano's hard fork completed September 27th. September 27th, FTX, the exchange, won the bid to buy Voyager. Also on September 27th, Interpol issued the red notice for Do Kwon, looking to arrest him. Last I heard, they haven't been able to get him yet. Binance launched auto conversion of USDC, USDP, TUSD into BUSD. Actually missing from here was the Binance Smart Chain. I believe they had a big hack, so that's not on here. Okay, let's keep on moving on. Okay, the Cardano Vassal hard fork. I'll dig into that another time. Let's just take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. So yeah, it's down 1% over Q3, hit a quarterly high of 24.4K, but it's fallen back. And I just noted that it's at 20K. So here's some notable events for Bitcoin in Q3. BlackRock, world's largest asset manager, launched a private BTC trust. MicroStrategy entered an agreement to sell 500 million in shares to fund more Bitcoin. Increase of interest rates by the US Fed saw investors exit risky assets for USD and Treasury bonds. Okay. Bitcoin hash rate is up 4.8%. USD is the strongest currency and is performing well against the euro and the British pound, as well as the Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at the Ethereum analysis here. So Ethereum, it's up 25.7% over Q3. Failed to break the $2,000 resistance. And yeah, like I mentioned, the Ethereum merge was a huge event, but general consensus was that it was successful, but it was a non-event. It really didn't result in increase in the price. But as we see on the Ethereum roadmap post-merge, Ethereum is now 55% complete, according to Vitalik Buterin. Okay, so if we look at the timeline for Ethereum, let's just take a look at where we are. So post-merge. So the next is the surge. So Ethereum scalability will be greatly improved by sharding, boosting transactions per second from 15 to 40 to 100,000. The verge is happening, so storage is optimized through vertical trees, making validation more scalable, faster, and easier to set up, allowing more validators to join. The purge exists excess historical data to be purged to reduce network congestion and hard drive space requirements. The splurge, miscellaneous updates and upgrades, the fun stuff. And then Ethereum 2025. Okay, so you may be wondering, and I did featured a video on this on my YouTube Shorts. Where's the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum? When will this market recover? And according to a Bloomberg video, it looks like 2024 is when we're going to see the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is not financial advice. But yeah, we're talking about Bitcoin possibly going down to 10 to 13K, Ethereum under 1,000. And those could be really good purchase points for the two largest cryptos. And yeah, just from reading a lot of news, it seems like this crypto winter and the markets are going to continue to be in a downturn until 2024. So we're only in 2022 now. It could be a rough couple of years. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, dollar cost averaging into the large market caps. I'm diversifying my portfolio. Personally, I've been actually getting into Canadian oil and energy stocks like Enbridge, Canadian bank stocks, and just diversifying my portfolio into less riskier assets. On my content creation, I'm also getting more into travel, digital nomad content creation. This is just me because my focus before crypto was on content creation. So yeah, I think you gotta have a backup plan to get through this crypto winter. The markets are not doing well, and even the big exchanges are being impacted. Crypto.com, Coinbase experiencing layoffs. And yeah, I think overall in the future, the markets will be back in a couple of years. But for now, it's good to educate yourself. There's a lot of blockchain courses. Our university in Vancouver, UBC, is actually starting to have courses, and yeah, get familiar with how to buy, how to secure your crypto using hardware wallets, maybe getting to hot wallets and minting NFTs, especially when Ethereum is not that expensive. So you're better prepared. You're going to be ahead of the game when things do ease up. So that is the update for now. So hope you enjoyed this update. Like, subscribe, and check out 604 NFT. If you're interested in any online courses, learning to content create or crypto, check out my link tree. I've got a lot of offerings that you can check out. And I will be traveling again soon to Europe and Asia. So look out for more on that. We'll see you later. Bye.